Hey guys, welcome back to part 3 of our Centos Firewall, and this is part of 23rd video of our LZH project, and my name is Salman Francis. So let's continue our discussion, and we left where we added a few ports to our firewall's public zone, and let's see how we can add a service to our public zone. So to demonstrate this, let me first go to our server 3, Control B, and let's SSH into our server 2, and we can see that we are in server 2. So this means that the service SSH, which is port 22, is added to our public zone of our server 2. So in case we need to stop this or remove this service, what we can do is we can go to firewall-cmd and specify the zone, which is public, and remove this service, which is SSH. Press enter. Okay, now let's go to our server 3 and try to SSH this time. And we can see it says that no route to host. Try again. Same. Okay, what will happen if we just add the service instead of removing? Just press add, press enter. Okay. Let's go back to our server 3 and try this time, and we are in. So that's how we add and remove the service in Firewall in CentOS 7. Okay, then there's a file to view the default zones, and we can ls. Okay, let me go back, clear the screen, and ls-user lib/firewall and zones. And here we have public.xml, home, work, DMZ, and these are the zones available in our firewall. And to edit these files, basically we should not edit these files here. But what we can do is we can go to etc firewall and zones directory, and over here we can add these zones and edit them. Okay, basically the thing is, in these directories like etc firewall dash zones, the default zones exist. So if there is no default zones, so the directories of in users lib firewall zones would be used. So that's why we don't edit them. Okay, let's try to edit this file, and I'll use vi editor, and over here I just want to remove SSH. So what I can do is I can just remove this line, service name SSH, or I can add more services if I want, but I just don't want to remove it or change it. But let's say if we would like to add SMTP, so I'll use service name is equals to SMTP. That's it. Save. So that's how you add services by editing the configuration file of the zones. Okay, so now let's try to block ICMP using firewall. So first we need to list what types of ICMP are we have. Okay, So firewall -cmd -get -icmp types. Okay, and we have destination unreachable, echo reply, echo request. So let's go to our server 3 and ping 192.168.1.245. Okay, it's pinging. So let's give it an error of destination unreachable, and to do that we use firewall -cmd and add icmp -block destination reachable. Okay, but it's pinging actually. Let's give it block is equals to echo reply. Okay, we need to ping it back. Let's go to Control B, try to ping again. Still pinging. I think there's something wrong. Echo requests. Okay, and still pinging. I think there's something wrong. I need to figure out how to stop it. Let me pause the video and fix. Okay, so to figure out this situation, but I just want to show you one thing. I just queried firewall -cmd -list icmp -blocks. So we were actually doing fine. We can see that the list, echo request, echo reply, and destination unreachable, they are in the block list. And to query like if it's block or not, query -icmp -block is equals to echo -reply, and it will say yes. So it means we are doing fine. So anyway, let's go to ctl.com. Okay. And that's how we end our third part of firewall, and in next part we will see how to masquerade and port forward using firewall. Thank you for watching.